Hello everyone! Welcome to the PDNob channel. This video will show you the concept of class diagrams and how to make a class diagram. Concept of class diagrams. In object-oriented system modeling, class diagram is the common and important one, which is the basis for defining other diagrams. Its primary purpose is to provide the developer with a conceptual model and architecture of the system under development. Usually, a class diagram consists of more than one class or all created classes of a system. It is a structural diagram that looks similar to a flowchart and has three main sections, illustrated by rectangular boxes. The first part or top specifies the name of the class. The second part or middle specifies the properties of the class. The third part or bottom lists the methods or operations executed by this particular class. Visibility. The symbols preceding the names of properties and operations of a class indicate the visibility of that property or action. While sign indicates protected property or operation. Plus sign indicates public property or operation. Minus sign indicates private property or operation. After creating the components of a class diagram, what will you use to connect them? There are several common relationships in UML class diagrams. Generalization. It is an inheritance relationship where the child class inherits all the behavior and properties of the parent class. It is also possible to add new functionality or override the functionality of the parent class. For example, a tiger is an animal with the characteristics of a tiger and the commonalities of animals. Realization. It is a class interface relationship that indicates that a class is an implementation of all the features and behaviors of an interface. The above two are inherited relationships. Association. It is an owned relationship that makes one class aware of the properties and methods of another class. For example, teacher and student associations can be two-way or one-way. A two-way association can have two arrows or no arrows, while a one-way association has one arrow. Aggregation. It is the relationship between the whole and the parts, the latter of which can exist separately from the total. For example, the relationship between a car and tires is that of whole and part. Tires can leave the car and still exist. Composition. It is the relationship between the whole and the parts, but the latter cannot exist separately from the total. For example, the company and the department are the relationships between the whole and the parts. Without the company, there would be no department. Dependency. It is a usage relationship where the implementation of one class requires the assistance of the other class. So try not to use two-way interdependencies. These are the concepts of class diagrams. Next, let's try to make a class diagram. In the PDNob mind map, create a new UML. There will be a simple UML diagram on the screen. Use the mouse to select all shapes and choose Delete. Select the UML category in the lower left corner. All the shapes needed for the class diagram are here. Pick the desired shape and drag it into the drawing board. Double-click the text to modify the class name. Then add the appropriate parameters and methods. Next, add a new class and change the name. Type in the corresponding parameters and methods. Continue to draw the complete class diagram. Draw all the classes and connect them using relational notation. In the rectangular pattern of the class, there is a circle of anchor icons. Press and hold the anchor point and drag it to another anchor point of the class to connect. Adjust the arrow icon on the connection line in the style. Select the appropriate relationship notation in the UML shape and connect the classes. Click on the drawing board and adjust the style of the class diagram in Styles. Add the corresponding quantitative relationship to the relationship symbol. Click on the Export option in the top right. Rename the class diagram name and select the export format. Click Export and download the file to the bottom. These are the concepts of class diagrams and how to draw them. Click on the link in the description to use UML class diagrams in PDNob mind mapping for free. If you think this video is still good, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We will share more tips and solutions. Thank you for watching. See you!